Get money, gang. I'm back with another video. I'm about to flip this thing around so I can check out this Camry. Right now, it's probably a sight for sore eyes, but it's a build in progress real shortly. Flip this thing around. Yeah, man, as y'all can see, man, it's definitely gonna need to touch up on some paint. Woo, this thing's gonna need some work. Gotta clean up these lenses. Look, that one's clearly yellow. That one's all scuffed up. So it's gonna take a lot of. It's gonna take some work. It's gonna take some work, but that's why it's a build. A little cheap. I call this the budget build. Call this the budget build. Ain't nothing significant about it at all. It's the budget build. Look, radio there, but the radio don't work. So we've been thugging it out with this big Bluetooth speaker back here, man. Like, you know what I'm saying? Sunroof, little sunroof. Like I said, y'all, it's the budget build. It's definitely the budget build. See everything. I mean, it run good though. I ain't gonna lie. But this thing having over 200 and some odd thousand miles, this thing run. This little, hey, and this little 4-cylinder. And I don't really want anything. I mean, whew, need some work, told you. Little thing back there, gotta clean that up, clean that up. We're gonna clean it up. See, it's probably up to y'all, man. Jump in that comment section, like, share, subscribe, cause I already know I gotta change this lens out. Certain little things I just already know I'm gonna end up doing. Speaking of such, handles, you know what I'm saying? Handles. Can't show y'all, but I can still get in this sucker real quick. So let me see. You know what I mean? Got the cloth seat. Someone didn't care about them. Sunroof. Yeah, I'm switching this deck out. Possibly today, putting a double din TV deck in there. So that's gonna be one minor upgrade. Shortly after that, probably gonna have the rear view camera installed. I got a lot to fix. I probably gotta switch these seats out. He said he don't like these seats, so we're gonna see. I gotta get that liner back up. Like, there's really a lot of things to do. This project, I probably got my work cut off for me. Like, real talk. But like I said, jump in this comment section. Let me know what I should do. Let me know some possible upgrades. The first upgrade we're working on right now is some tires. some bars to uniform the car a little bit. Then after that, probably gonna hit the paint shop. Clean these spots up, all these spots up. This thing run good. Shoot, we go to Brockton all the time in this thing, like every couple of days. But this gotta get cleaned up. Can't have them riding like that. It's just crazy. And really, we riding on a straight 4 donuts. It might not even match. Got no handles on this side, no handles. Just the other side. The other side is easier to get into. Only 4-cylinder Camrys. Good job. And we got the little wing. They actually got some dog handles over here. Dang, man. Y'all gotta jump in the comments. Let me know what you finna do. He's an older fella, so he probably ain't even gonna do the tent right now. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. But spam the comments, load them up. There's plenty of upgrades for these cars. It's a 99 Camry with, hold up, we gotta go in there and check that thing. This ain't no digital dash. We're gonna go back in the car and check out the dash real quick. Let y'all know exactly on there. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna flip it over. Y'all see it, gang? That thing got 289,000 miles. That's what's up. Over here with the man, the myth, the legend, man. This is senior, y'all. Senior.
You already know. Let's go pop these tires, man. Hi, Get Money Gang. We out. Uno.
All right.